Hi everybody, today is April 2nd, 2013. They just had another very large quake there on El Euro. Now, if they didn't tamper with the machine and turn it down some more, I would say it was probably a 4-point magnitude. These were 3-point, greater than 3-point up here. I'm going to show you this other one. Here's another image of that quake. This is the wave formation. This is the spectrogram of that earthquake. Now you can see here it's showing on the graph for 2100 hours. But on the IGN website, which we already know that they don't list them all, that they do downgrade the earthquakes. It's only showing right now 1200 hours universal time. So who knows how long we're going to have to wait until they give us an idea how strong this thing is. You can see there's a lot of little ones that aren't even being recorded or tracked or admitted to. Yeah, it lasted a few minutes. Or a few seconds, I should say. Alright, well, bookmark my site. I'll keep you up to date. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.